Hello there, Conastantu. How are things? Ben from Bite Size Irish here, and it's the time of year when talk turns to the topic of Christmas dinner. So let's take a bite-sized look at how to say Christmas dinner and some associated words and terms in Irish. Let's begin at the beginning with simply the word for Christmas in Irish. Two words, nullig, Christmas, nullig. Nullig. If we want to use nullig and put it into the term Christmas dinner, it's going to change a little because it's going into its genitive form. So Christmas dinner is diner na nullig. Diner na nullig. Diner na nullig. So if you want to ask the question, what will we have for Christmas dinner? It could be asked like this. Cad a bheith go gcuin le haghaidh dhínéir na nullig. Cad a bheith go gcuin le haghaidh dhínéir na nullig. Cad a bheith go gcuin, what will we have? Le haghaidh, it's a compound preposition meaning for, and dhínéir na nullig, Christmas dinner. There's a little bit of grammar going on here with the genitive case. Don't need to worry too much about that. This is a bite-sized lesson, as I say, but you'll notice there are some changes happening to the beginning of words such as diner going to yénair here. So traditionally in Ireland, in modern times, we have stuffed turkey, ham, and the trimmings, vegetables and potatoes and such for Christmas dinner. If you go back further, it would have been goose, but these days, stuffed turkey. So let's say for diner na nullig, we're having turkey stuáltha agus líomhás agus gach a déan leo. Turkey stuáltha líomhás agus gach a déan leo. Turkey stuáltha agus líomhás agus gach a déan leo. So turkey stuáltha, that is stuffed turkey. Líomhás, ham. Agus gach a déan leo, and everything that goes with them. So the trimmings, that could include roast potatoes, prátaí roasta, prátaí roasta, prátaí roasta. And indeed, you could expect Brussels sprouts as well. So baclóga brishéile, baclóga brishéile, baclóga brishéile. Más vegan, if you are a vegan, you might like builín il chnóna, not roast. Builín il chnóna. Builín il chnóna. And if you are having the turkey, I suggest you take the approach that my own father takes and prepare it the night before, because it's a big bird and it takes a while. So, Olivig on turkey on ihe riv ray. Olivig and turkey on ihe riv ray. Olivig and turkey on ihe riv ray. If you want a bit of diversion during your meal, you might like to pull a Christmas cracker. The Irish for Christmas cracker is pléascóg nullig. Pléascóg nullig. So pléascóg here contains the word pléas, which means to burst or to blow up or detonate in Irish. Pléascóg nullig. So we'll finish today, as is our custom, with a seanachal or proverb. And this piece of advice suggests that you might like to arrive at the dinner table hungry on Christmas Day. Is ma an towndan an tuchris. Is ma an towndan an tuchris. So hunger is a good sauce. Is ma is good. An towndan, the sauce. An tuchris, the hunger. Okay, I hope you enjoyed today's little bite-sized lesson. From me, Ben, bíodh nullig mhuir mhagat. Have a big, good Christmas.
Transform your Irish language journey in 1 week. Take the gaeilge gaeilge 1 week challenge starting Monday. It doesn't matter if you're just starting off, coming back to Irish, or you're already an active learner. Go to challenge.irish or click the link in the description.